How's it going, everyone? Adam here from Coding Basics, and welcome to tutorial number 12 in my QBasic tutorials series. And in this video, we're going to be going over using while loops. A while loop evaluates some condition, and while that condition is still true, it's going to keep looping through a block of code. So let's open up QB64 and launch it. So let's create a file. I'm going to save it as while.bas and click OK. Now, just before I start this, like actually coding the while loop, one thing I'll mention is if you've ever used another programming language, you'll know that there's something called Booleans almost in all of them, which is basically it contains a value of true or false. Well, unfortunately, QBasic does not have Booleans. But if you think about it, a Boolean of true is often just a value of 1, false is often just a value of 0. So we can kind of make a makeshift Boolean. So let's just create a variable called play again, and we'll set it equal to 1. So this is going to be our value of true. If it's 0, it's going to be false. So for a while loop, in all capitals, we type out while, and now we have to give it some condition. So as a condition, we're going to say while play again equals 1. Well, then we want to execute some block of code. Now at the bottom of this block of code, we finish it off by typing wend, so while end. We're going to end our while loop by typing that out, all capital letters. Now for our block of code, all we're going to do is ask our user for some input. So input, do you want to play again? Y equals yes. So we're just going to say, do you want to play again? If you type in Y, we assume yes, you do want to play, and we're going to store this in a variable called answer. Oops, I put the $sign at the front instead of the end. My apologies. And I cannot spell. Okay, so answer, $sign. That's going to store our user's answer. Oops, sorry about that pop-up. I was just rendering another video I made. Now, what we're going to do now is an if statement. So if answer $sign equals lowercase y, or answer $sign equals uppercase y. We'll give them the two options just in case they have cap locks on. Well then, play again. You don't have to change the value, it could stay the same, but just to have some sort of thing here. Then we're going to say play again still equals 1. Else play again equals 0, which is going to be our false value. And we're going to end this in with an end if to end our if statement off. And there, that's our whole program. Just going to save it and run it. So do you want to play again? Yes. Do you want to play again? Yes. Do you want to play again? Let's do a capital Y this time. Do you want to play again? Let's put an N in. And that'll end our program. So it gets to the end of this while loop. It's going to check then if this condition is still true. It's not even going to start the first time if this condition is not true. So let me just set this to 0. It's not going to do anything. This condition has to be true just to enter the while loop. So while play again equals 1, which it does up here, it's going to go into the while loop, ask the user if they want to play again. As long as play again is still equal to 1, it's going to get to the bottom of the while loop, go back to the top, and execute all this again. And it's going to keep doing that until this condition is no longer met. Then it's going to exit, and it's going to continue on in the program. So let's just print out of while loop. Okay, and we'll run this. Yes. Now this time we'll put n, and it prints out of while loop. So it's left the while loop. It's going to continue executing the program from here. So that's all I got for you guys this time. Remember, leave a comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Actually, quickly before I leave, you can put multiple conditions here. So while that equals true, and you can have another condition as well. So AND for and, or you can do an or. So, and then you can have a second condition after that. Now, that's all I got for you guys this time. Remember, leave a comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.